Dear children, good morning. Welcome to our social science class. Today we deal with a new subject. It is an interesting subject for you. Okay. Firstly, you feel it is something difficult to understand. But when you are continuously watching our classes, it will be easy for you. Okay. Then in your classes means 6th, 7th, 8th, you are dealing with 3 subjects only. What are they? They are history, then geography, then politics. And along with these 3 subjects, one more subject is also there. Do you know its name? Anyone? Yeah, economics. Okay, today we discuss with the subject economics, and in it we discuss our first chapter. Okay, our chapter name is The Story of Village Palampur. Palampur is an imaginary village. Before that, what are the things we discuss in our history? That is the concepts related to past events, then facts, then about any leaders, such things. Then in geography, what are the things? The study of our earth, then planets, then landscapes, about different countries, like that. Then in politics, what are the things we deal with? The forms of government, then the concepts like constitution, then the different political concepts like preamble, then different rights and duties. Okay. But our subject, that is today's subject, is economics, and this deals with the economy. What is an economy? It is a place or it is a situations where many activities like production. Production means what? To make a good or make anything. Or the production may be conducted in a factory or from our houses or any places. Then consumption. Consumption means buying something. Okay, buying and selling. Okay, it has happened in a market situations. Then in economics, such things are there. What are they? Production means make anything. Then consumption, that means buying anything. Then distribution means providing these goods. Okay, the produced goods have to be provided with the public. They are creating a market. Such things are included in our new subject economics. So today we discuss about the story of a village. What was the name of the village? It is the Palampur. It is an imaginary village, but it is a well planned, developed village with many conveniences. Okay, many facilities are there. Okay, then we then we enter to our first chapter, the story of village Palampur. When we discuss about the facilities of Palampur, we just list out what are the important features of Palampur village. Features of Palampur village. Features. The first feature is their main activity is farming. Okay, for earning they deal or they engaged with farming. What is the meaning of farming? That is the agriculture. So we can say that the farming is the main activity, or the agricultural related activities are the main earnings of the Palampur village. The farming is the main activity. The first feature is farming is the main activity. For what? For earning. For their livelihood, they follow farming. Is the main activity. Then the second feature is the village, that is the Palampur village is well connected with its neighboring towns and villages. Okay, it is well connected with its neighboring towns. terms. Then the third feature is, when we discuss about the village, we have to consider how they transport or what are the transportation facilities available in the Palampur village. Just write the heading topic or feature as transport. What are the facilities they follow? Bullock cart, then bogies, then motor vehicles, trucks, etc. Okay. This is the third feature, transportation facility. Here the transportation starts from bullock carts to motor vehicles. Okay. Then the fourth feature. What is the fourth feature? It is related to the family of the village Palampur. Okay, what are the kinds of families and what are the types of groups? Okay. Then about family, there are 450 families and in which 80 upper caste. Here we can say that these 80 groups were covered or included the major population of village Palampur. You understand? 80 upper caste groups are there. 80 upper caste groups or people are there and they covered the almost the major population of the village Palampur. And the remaining are there the scheduled caste or the Dalit people. Okay? Dalit people. They covered 1/3 of the total population. When we consider the family or the population of village Palampur, we can say that there are total 450 families and from which 80 are included in the upper caste group and remaining 1/3, that is total population 1/3 of including Dalit, that is the lower caste or scheduled caste people. Do you understand? Then the next feature. Next feature is about the condition of houses. Houses are made up of bricks, then muds or straws. What are the facilities available in its houses? Most of the houses are electricity. Yeah, most of the houses getting the electricity connection. Houses getting the electricity connections. Electricity. Then almost all houses have the tube wells. Tube wells. These are the factors related to the houses. Okay, what are they? Houses are made up of bricks, muds, straws, and most of houses have electrical connection and many houses have tube wells. Okay. Then we consider what are the conditions about the education. How many schools are there? Okay. How many schools are there? Schools. In the case of schools, there are 2 primary schools are there. 2 primary schools and 1 high school. 1 high school. And in the case of health, there is one primary health center. 1 primary health center. Primary health center. That is done by the government. And another private center also, that is done by the private person or groups. Okay. And the sick persons are treated in the private center also. Primary health center done by the government. Then another feature Another feature is when we say about the village Palampur, we can say that it is a fair, well connected, well facilitated village. Okay. When we study about the village Palampur, we have to mention the productive activities also. Okay. What do you mean by productive activities? That an activity is productive, it became beneficial to its producers or its owners. That we called as the productive activity. When we consider the activities in village Palampur, we can divide the activities into farming activity and non-farming activity. Students, I think you have understood about the features. Shall I repeat the features again? Okay. When we consider the features of Palampur, the first feature is what? It is the farming is the main activity. Then the second feature is what? It is well connected with the neighboring villages. Then the third feature about its transportation, and the fourth feature is about its family, the size of family and different caste groups. Then the fifth feature is about education, how many primary schools or how many schools are there. Then the next feature is about the health. There is one primary health center. These are the major features of village Palampur. And when we discuss about the productive activities or the main activities included in the village, there are two types of activities. What are they? One is farming activity, that is the main activity, and the second one is non-farming activity. Second one is non-farming activity. The activities in village Palampur is divided into two. First one is farming, that is the activities related to agriculture. Second is non-farming. Non-farming including small scale industries, small scale manufacturing, not industries, manufacturing. Then shopkeeping, etc. Okay. This is just an introductory part, or it is just the starting or beginning features of this village. Then we have to cover more topics related to our village Palampur. So in the next classes also we are covering the concepts related to this village Palampur. Mainly in this chapter we discuss the production concept. What are the factors of production and how the how the production process has happened or occurred in a proper manner, like that. Okay. So students, today we discuss only about the features of village Palampur. I hope you understood this. Okay. And if you have any doubts, just share through the WhatsApp or call me directly. Okay. So students, I will stop and we conclude that the village Palampur is the well connected village with many facilities, and it is called also the proper village for any economic activities. Mainly farming activities are there. Okay. So students, I will stop my session or today's session. Have a nice day. God bless you. Thank you.